The 10 Golden Rules of Investing in the Stock Market. Rule number 1. Focus on the long term. Rule number 2. Do your homework. Rule number 3. Buy and sell at the right price. Rule number 4. Diversify your portfolio. Rule number 5. Stay away from tips and rumors. Rule number 6. Understand business models of companies that you invest in. Rule number 7. Do not make rash decisions. Rule number 8. Never take loans to invest in the stock market. Rule number 9. Invest small and regular. Rule number 10. Always monitor your investments.